What is going on, everybody? Tunji again from Ceasar Graphics. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to steal like a professional artist. So without any further ado, let's jump into today's tutorial. Before stealing like a professional artist, you need to first understand the project you are to work on. Since our job is to surprise our audience in a simple and dynamic way, I'll be teaching you how to get ideas from different designs and add it to your project. Before we go into copying from different sources, I need you guys to know this. When you copy from one source, it's called stealing. But when you copy from different sources, it becomes your piece. When the first light bulb was created in 1879 by Edison, this was what it looks like. This is what the current bulb looks like now. If you look at the light bulbs, you will notice it's still the same concept but different designs. That's how you should copy as an artist. Coming up with good design is much easier now. This is how to do it. After knowing the project, then go to websites like Pinterest or Behance to get ideas. I'm going to work on a project now and I'll show you designs I'll be copying my ideas from. My layout is going to look a little bit similar to what we have here. Before copying any layout, you need to draw out the first thing you want people to see. Sequencing information should logically and clearly lead from the primary visual to the headline, then to the secondary visual, caption, subhead, and finally to the text. You need to know what your contrast should look like. This is what will draw people to your project. Like what I always say to my students, a poster that does not first stop the reader won't be read. Abstracting type is part of how you can make your project command attention. As human, we identify letters by their shapes. Creating drama with it is part of how we call attention to our piece. I'll be picking my colors and my background effect from this project. Combining colors the right way will make your project look sweet and nice. This is not different from a garden with less bench. Color is one of the most powerful tools that we use as designers to make our project look interesting. A building's purpose and size are the architect's first considerations. Similarly, determining a document purpose and its page size are the first decisions a designer must make. Before picking any layout, see if the brief will be enough to fit the frame you want to use. Don't forget to always give room for your content to breathe. Allow white space because this is the heart of your project. Any frame that is not allowing you to use white space is not good for the project. It's better you change it. Before using color, know your client. Understand their way of defining colors. That is why you need to always send out design questionnaire. Have parts where you ask colors they like and don't like. Because not using clients' favorite colors at times always make them reject the project. Don't ever tell them their choice of color is bad. When playing with type, you need to be very careful. Changing the look of a letter the wrong way may give the project another meaning. Lastly, don't put yourself in that place where you believe this is how things should always look. As designers, our goal is to surprise our audience, so have fun. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and remember to ring the bell so you will be notified when I post my tutorials. Share, like, and comment on this video, and I'll see you guys again in my next tutorial. Peace.